isn't it? I'm Ret Whatsen. Today we're spending the day at the Willem Park Zoo, checking out animals and just checking out these big things. Like, look at all of their fur. You know, these things are called tapirs, and they have noses that the nose is actually another hand that they can use to pull out all the bugs that are in there. They like to make funny faces. I know that if I had a nose like that, I would use it all the time. This one, on the other hand, is asleep. Sometimes they like to watch TV, like Animal Planet. This is a big dumb animal. This is a monkey. From birth, these monkeys are trained to steal things, to perform shows, and to hunt for food. All monkeys are born with the innate ability to rip a human from limb to limb, to rip your face right off. If one of these monkeys stole your gun, it could blow your brains right out. Yeah. Imagine one of these guys getting elected president. Skateboards all the way. Kings of rock and roll. These things could climb trees all day long. These are the original kings of the wrestling world. Time for an afternoon nap. To think someday these guys will rule the planet. Is that cool or what? This guy's got a big dumb face. Don't drop your cell phone in, or these guys will grab it and start tweeting all sorts of stuff you don't want neither of your girlfriends to see. Skate park. Orangutan hair is very costly. It's a real high commodity. No, I'm pretty sure it actually is orangutan hair.
No, it's not.
No. No, it's not. It's not. Go Huskies, right? These guys are like as prickly as Mr. Skinner's. It's easy. Sounds like my grandpa. These guys are so huge and dangerous, they could just rip your face right out of your butt. This rock looks like the head of a buffalo. Hey, that's weird. This is the North American dragon bear. Unfortunately, it hasn't yet mastered its powers to breathe fire, and only breathes smoke. This is the life. If there's any animal I'd want to be, it'd be a river otter. Just playing around, swimming all day, ripping fish to pieces. These guys are like skate videos. I could just watch them all day long. Oh, it smells like garbage and fish mixed.
I'm wet.
You're wet? That's why I said bring a flippin' raincoat. That's what I told you like 12 times. Sometimes you just can't see them. You never know. Fish are boring. This is my kind of afternoon. Hanging out. Orangutans are best known for having big dumb faces that you want to punch.